Hi students, let us continue with chapter 24, solution of right angles. So we had done till third question in our last class. So let me continue with the fourth question. The first sub question of the fourth question is find AD if you need to find AD from this. Okay, given figure is like this. So how do we find it out? Okay, so let us see that from the given figure what all you can find out. So just have a look at figure. If CD is 50 meter, I can easily write BE is also 50 meter. Is it clear? What's the reason? This is a rectangle. Similarly, if BC is 10, ED also will be 10. Okay. So now already you got 4 sides. Now what you have to find out? You need to find out only AE. If you find out AE plus ED will give you the value of AD. So I can use triangle. From triangle ABE, from triangle ABE, I have 45 here, angle 45, and this BE is known. I need to find AE. So which angle I should use, which trigonometric ratios I need to use for it, that is tan. So I can directly write tan 45 equal to opposite perpendicular, that is AE by BE. What is tan 45? It's 1. 1 equal to AE by BE is 50. So I get the value of AE is equal to 50. So if AE is 50, what will be AD? AD equal to AE plus ED, that is equal to 50 plus 10 equal to 60 meter. Okay. Hope it's clear. It was a direct question. Hope it's clear to you all. Just go through the question once again, so you'll get an idea about it. Okay, it was a direct question. Okay, now coming to the second sub question. What is the second sub question? It's a different figure given. Let me draw the figure. So coming to the second sub question, have a look at the figure. We have triangle ABC and triangle ACD. It's given ABD, right? And the values are given here. And this shows that AC and BC are equal. But we very well know that your triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. So there is one more triangle inside that. Using the values of that, you can find out the unknown values. Okay, that means you need to find out AD. You can directly find it. Okay, so what we can do here is, you have 100, AB is 100 meter, and here you have 60 degree given to you. So using the 60, I can directly write this will be what? This should be equal to 120 degree, right? Because this is 60 means this is 120 degree. This is 90, this gives you 30. Okay, that's not required. So what we have to write, if this is 120, this is a isosceles triangle, right? Two sides are equal. So if this is 120, this should be 30 each. 30 degree and 30 degree. Now we can use the triangle. From triangle ADB or ABD, what do you have? 30 here. So I can take, I need to find AD, right? This value. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 30 equal to AD by, what's the hypotenuse given? That is AB, right? So sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to AD by 100. So AD is equal to 100 by 2, that is equal to 50 meters. Okay, it's very easy. Now let me do the seventh question. So find AB. Seventh question is given as find AB. So your figure is given as AC DB EF, 45 degree, 20, 60 degree, 30, 60 degree. Okay, these are the values given to us. So using these values, you need to find out the AB, the side AB you need to find out. Okay, so how will you find out AB using these values? Just have a look at the figure. So AB is here, right? In order to find AB, first you need to know CD, or you have to find AC or DB. Let us see how to find it out. Okay. So this side, from triangle, DBE, from triangle DBE, you have one angle on one side. You can easily find out what is DB, right? So from triangle DBE, I can write this. I need to find out, right? So perpendicular by height. So I can directly write tan 60 equal to ED by DB. So tan 60 is ED by DB. So ED by DB is 30 by DB. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is 30 by DB. So you get DB is equal to 30 by root 3. 3 into root 3. So you are getting it as 30 root 3 by 3. That is equal to 10 root 3. So your answer is 10 root 3 here. So if DB is 10 root 3, you get AC is also 10 root 3. Now what you can do is, you can draw an extension here. Okay. Draw an extension here. F is already, you can make it as FG. So using that, you can try finding out the value of this FG, then you get the value of CD, right? So how can we find it? So we know that if this whole thing is 30, this ED is 30, this will be 20, and this is 10. Now using that, you can find out FG. So from triangle FGE, tan 60 equal to FG by EG. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to FG by EG is what? 10. Correct? So you get again FG is equal to 10 root 3. So if your FG is 10 root 3, again you are getting here also as 10 root 3. Okay. Before that, something we have done. Okay, we want to find AC also, right? AC, what we found is not correct. AC you need to find. So from triangle, let's do here only. From triangle AFC, again tan 45 equals to FC by AC. Tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to FC by AC. So AC is how much you have? 1 is equal to 20 by AC. So you got AC is equal to 20. Okay. So finally you will get AB equal to AC plus CB plus DB. AC plus CB plus DB. 20 plus plus 10 root 3. So you get 20 plus 20 root 3. 20 is out, so you get 1 plus root 3. Okay. So this will be equal to 20 into 1 plus 1.732, 20 into 2.732. So I can write it as 2.732 into 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So getting 54.64 as the answer. Okay. Thank you, students.